Everyone, this is Blair from Victory All Lock for Advanced Diagnostics. Today I'm on a 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit. We're adding a key. I pulled the pin. Patience is a virtue on these. It took a few minutes to get the pin, probably like 4 or 5. Don't, make sure that the battery level's good. Don't disconnect it. Don't pull your plug. Just let it happen, and you'll be rewarded with a pin. Okay, and now we're going to go to immobilizer. And I'm going to turn the ignition off and then turn it back on because I had it on previously. It's going to detect the system. This is one of the nice features of the Smart Pro. It'll ping it until it finds the appropriate protocol. Okay, it took about 30 seconds to find the TP2, which we're okay with. It's going to tell us that keys not available will be erased. Please note of the component security and PIN code, or you may not be able to program a new key to start the car. Do you want to continue? Yes, we do. All right, we know our PIN. It's going to ask us how many keys, and we're going to put 2 in because we have an original and we're adding a factory spare. And what you want to look for while it's talking to the car, all right, that is the good sign. You see the 1, 2, that means that it took our first key. And now we're going to put in our second key, and it's going to go to 2, 2. And then we're going to switch it off and then back on. And we are totally learned here. Let's go ahead and start it with our new key. Sounds like a winner to me. Once again, this is Blair from Victory All Lock for Advanced Diagnostics. Thanks.